Hello everyone, this is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio, and I am back today with another Schipper Sunday. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe while you're here. You can click the button down here in the right hand corner and then click the notification bell beside the title of this video to be sure that you are notified of all future videos. So let's get started with this particular kit from Schipper Paint by Numbers. And this one is part of their fantasy series, and it is called the Mermaid, and I'm sure you can see why they call it the Mermaid. It is fabulous, and if you guys know me, you know that I am obsessed with anything that has to do with coastal or beach or water of any kind. In another life, I could have been a mermaid, although I probably would never look this good in a bikini top, just saying. But I love this piece. So this is a 40 by 50 centimeter. I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right into what the contents are of this kit, and we're gonna go through it and take a look at this fabulous palette because I've already swatched the paints because I couldn't resist. And because it is Mother's Day, happy Mother's Day for you guys who are moms to be, who are mothers of fur babies or grandmothers or whatnot. Happy Mother's Day to you guys. I'm gonna try to make this video brief because we have things to take care of today. So let's jump right into this beautiful kit. Here are the contents of the Schipper kits. We have this brochure that includes all of their beautiful kits. And then we have our instruction manual that has all of the information in every language you can think of. We have our reference guide here that's going to give us basically a duplicate copy of what is on our surface of our board. And this is for reference, and that is why we call it a reference guide. In case we need to go back over a section and we're not sure what number that is, we have it right here. In addition, we're going to have information about how we number our paint pots, as I've discussed in every single Schipper video. And in this package, that's where the number stickers are for the paint pots and the paintbrush that they give us with our kit. Now this paintbrush is perfect for the flow method, which I've brought to you, which is Schipper's way of painting their paint by number kits. And I brought you that method in a prior video, and actually a couple videos, which I can link you to in the description below. And up here, I'll put this little button where you can click it and go straight to it if you would like to do that. In addition, they have given us 36 paints for this kit. These are gorgeous, and we're going to be taking another closer look at these in just a minute. They are beautiful. Greens, blues, aquas, teals, yellows, and oranges, and then we've got some deeper blacks and things here. But oh my goodness, fabulous palette. And then of course over here, under these two items, we're going to have our board, because Schipper paint kits don't come with a canvas. They come on a board that is a thick matte board material, and on the top is a canvas textured surface with gray lines and numbers, which is really easy to paint over and not see your numbers and lines underneath once you've got your paint on top. So that is what you get in your Schipper kit. All right, so I'm going to focus on these fabulous paints. I'm going to zoom in and we're going to take a closer look at the paint swatch and its beauty. My goodness, what a yummy, delicious palette this is. So it is not a Skittles palette, it is not a sherbet palette, but it is a coastal fabulous palette. And I love this green right here. Oh my goodness, let's take a look. Oh, it's gorgeous. I lose my voice just getting excited. I'm such a nerd. Okay, so we're gonna take a really close look. Let me bring this up and focus. Now, because I swatch on a inkjet printable canvas, these swatches are painted on a surface that most closely represents the surface of our board. So I want you to notice that there are no transparent paints, no translucent paints. Every one of these is opaque. Every single one. Even this creamy white right here is opaque. This is the difference between Schipper kits and every other paint kit on the market. I see people on groups comparing Dimensions kits and other paint kits to Schipper. There is no comparison. There's no comparison in price either, but there is no comparison in a Schipper kit and other kits. One day I'm coming back, I know it may be a while, and I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison between Schipper kit and a Dimensions kit and show you guys the difference. It's not that I have anything against a Dimensions kit, but when I see people say that Dimensions are the best kits on the market, I have to disagree and say that obviously those people have never tried a Schipper painting kit. But I am in no way affiliated with Schipper, and when I say that, what I mean is that I don't get paid from Schipper to do these videos. They have sent me free kits in the past. These kits are mine. I have purchased these out of my own pocket, and I bring these to you every Sunday now from my own pocket. I show you these kits because I love them, and if you purchase from Hirschner's or Schipper Germany, I don't make a dime. If you get them from the Amazon links that I provided you, I will make a small commission, but if I spend $50 on a Schipper kit, it would take a lot of people ordering from that link for me to get back that $50. So I'm not really, recouping what I'm putting into it. I share them because I love them. So I just want to express that to you guys. I'm here on my channel to share things I love with you and tips and techniques and tutorials and things. So that is what this is all about. And that's why I do Schipper Sunday, because I just love their kits. And there are other companies I love as well, but I just have so many of these because I personally love them. So you can see why I'm obsessed with this palette, why I'm obsessed with these paints. They have a beautiful sheen. They're not matte finish. They're not chalky. I don't have to mix paints. They gave me all 36 and they're fabulous. They're beautiful. So that's it. And in the words of Forrest Gump, and that's all I've got to say about that. All right, sorry. Okay, you guys. I hope you guys love the Mermaid. I promised you I would keep this video short and to the point today, and I'm trying my best to do that. I have a new link for a mini website, is what I call it. It is melanieb.info, and all you have to do is go there. And I have shopping links for you guys for the videos that I have for you guys to find those links quickly and easily. There are several pages. If you go across the top menu of that little mini website, you're going to see pay by number companies I love and their links, diamond painting companies I love, art and other websites I love and their links, how to find all of my social media. So you guys, thank you as always for watching, and I will see you back soon.